Hi, Dr. Bishop here at Animal Healthcare. Going to discuss leptospirosis with you a little bit today. Leptospirosis is actually a disease that can be contagious to people. It's a bacteria primarily spread in the urine. In the city, rats urinate on things and dogs walk through it like their paws or lick and sniff things that you and I wouldn't want to lick and sniff. But they end up with it. Interestingly, a few years back, I was driving to work one day and I heard about a leptospirosis outbreak in a group of triathletes near Springfield, Illinois. And what happened is that lepto, which is common to the bovine or cattle operations, was in the urine in a feedlot area and ran off into a lake stream feed. And the lake was contaminated and the people swam in the lake and ended up with leptospirosis. So lepto is a real concern for humans as well as for dogs. Lepto is vaccinated for on an annual basis. It is a killed bacteria. It needs to be done annually, and the initial vaccine series is a 2-shot series. They have to have attained a certain age in weeks in order to have that first vaccine, and the second one a certain number of weeks later in order to actually be rendered immunity. And it is an annual vaccine. There used to be, and I don't know if it still exists or not, there used to be a 2-way lepto vaccine. We use a 4-way lepto vaccine, and that's, I believe, the most comprehensive vaccine that's available. There are over 200 forms of leptospirosis. There's probably 6 that are most common in humans, but it is a contagious disease in humans. You might ask, well, how does my dog get it? Well, swimming in lakes, drinking from puddles where other dogs have urinated or other animals like squirrels and raccoons and possums have urinated is how they end up getting it. Or they walk through the yard and step into where Ricky Raccoon just had his urination, and they lick their paws, and it can be a problem. It also, once it's inside the mouth, will perforate the lining of the mouth. It'll go around, it'll perforate the linings of the eyelids and around the eyes and get into the system too. So if you're swimming in a lake that's leptospirosis, loaded with leptospirosis, and you swallow any water or get it in and around your eyes, you can end up with lepto. So it's contagious, pretty much by handling the urine and getting the urine on thin mucous membranes. Hopefully that gives you a little more data on why we vaccinate against lepto. It causes serious kidney failure or liver failure or liver disease in certain cases, depending on the variety. As I said, there's over 200 versions of leptospirosis, but there's about 6 that are considered to be kind of serious from an infectious perspective for dogs, cats, and people. We only have a vaccine that covers for 4 of them. So lepto is definitely indicated in any dog that's going to be going outside and exposed to areas where other animals have urinated. So if you have questions, feel free to give us a call here at Animal Healthcare. Our number is 630-305-7200. Again, 630-305-7200. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.